the company ZenNutt. So I got the plastic off and I'll slide this open. Comes with this little booklet, I guess. By the way, this is from Amazon, if you didn't see that in the title. And then you got the little, it's a lot smaller than what I thought it would be. It's a little beard, not that I need a big one right now, but that's the size of the beard brush. Comes with your scissors here. I think this is the beard balm, yeah. And this should be the beard oil, yeah. And then you got the little wooden brush in here for those big long beards that I'll probably never have. And a nice little carrying case, 2 carrying cases actually. No, that's one. Actually, that's not bad, that's nice. And it's got like here. So, there you have it. That's it. I also got myself one of these because I have to shave and trim my beard every day, so I'll give you a size representation of all this. So like the beard balm, that's the size you're getting. It has, where is it? Yeah, 30 grams, 1 ounce. So just to give you an idea of sizes, here's the beard oil that came in this here. It's what do we got here? 30 milliliters, the standard, it would seem. And then there's the beard conditioner, 60 ml, 2 ounce. So as you can see, it's I think the pictures online make it look a little bit bigger, but here, like Canadian, I think I paid like 25 bucks for it all, so that's not bad. Just a starter kit. Obviously, I just started growing a couple days ago, maybe 6 days of growth, and I grow real slow, so you know what I mean. Just a starter kit. There you have it. That's from the company ZenNutt beard care and grooming kit there off Amazon.